Hi everyone. While roaming, we have now reached AABmatica, a company that has always demonstrated new technology, and I can't wait to know from them. Sanjay, who is the business head. So, Angelo, what is new here today at AABmatica?
We presented in this exhibition two many important innovations.
Okay.
An innovative system for law enforcement that is on board, so allow to make a speed check, speed control where policemen are trained to patrol the town.
Okay.
And the special thing, the special element of this new system is that it is the unique in the world that is plug and play.
It's plug and play.
Typically, speed enforcement in vehicle is made by a system that has to be installed hardly outside a car.
Okay.
This new technology allows to have a free system, a bag. You take outside the bag, you place in 1 minute, and you can go to.
Sanjay, can you show it?
Yes, we can show it to you. So this is on the tripod, which you can put on the tripod. And now the next one, you can come forward.
Yeah.
You can see this is a system which you can place on the car.
Wow.
You can put it here, remove, and now you will see how easy it is to remove it. You can just put the hands and you can remove it from there without any things, and you can fix it
And it sends the data to the cloud?
directly to the SIM inside, directly to the cloud.
Wow.
And the good thing is this is tested not only in Europe, in Italy, Switzerland, and many countries, but this is well tested in India also.
Wow. That's pretty good.
And it's done with joint collaboration. So Engine is helping also Indian companies to make in India.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
That's very nice.
Angelo can also speak about Make in India.
Yeah.
Our interest is to make our cooperation in India, and when making India rules became mandatory, we makes for us it's very important to favorite cooperation with local company that can realize component structure, software modules, etc., and merge our technology with.
Are you getting any local certification also done for it? Like SCGP or something?
We have done all the certifications, and the test reports in India has been done with more than 280 kilometers. Really, yeah.
Wow.
And it's done not only on a fixed mode, but this has been done on a routine mode
Okay.
and departing mode.
Wow.
So we have driven the two cars like this, and two cars like this.
What is the most useful use case that you see for this?
So right now what you see is either you put fixed systems, okay, or you put systems every 5 kilometers or 10 kilometers. Okay.
So do you feel like NHAI has got these patrolling vehicles going back and forth?
In fact, they have the police patrol, but they don't have this system, which we recommend them to have it. Okay. Now, best thing is, if they have the system in the patrol, and people know somebody is following them by presence, people will always drive with care. Now, because you put to
Does it have incident detection also?
no, it doesn't have incident detection, but when it goes, you can find the video. I can show it to you.
Yeah.
You can make this visible there.
Yeah.
You can see on the right side there is a video.
Yeah.
Okay. On the left side you will see that there is a vehicle which is marked red. Okay. The moment it crosses other, you see every time it crosses some vehicle, it gets triggered. And you also see on the bottom the vehicle with the radar data. Okay. So it works perfectly good, and the policeman doesn't have to stop, sit in the sunlight, stop, on move without stopping, and it works both sides.
Wow.
That's the
Very good. You were also talking to me about some Spectral health monitoring system.
This is completely new to AABmatica and to Engine.
A worldwide launch in India?
We have done some projects in India.
Okay.
We have done one project in Reliance.
Okay.
We will speak about it. We will show you.
Okay. Structural health monitoring is important for Italian guy, because some years ago there is important accident and a bridge collapsed. So starting from this, many government guys understood that concrete has to be monitored, and we developed technology in which we realize sensor, accelerometer, inclinometers, etc.
Okay.
We make an architecture to control. We acquire all the data and we transmit data in cloud, in which all data can be elaborated real time to detect dynamic and static problem of the infrastructure and detect the vehicle, the transit that can determine some critical elements. Also in this case we are moving on realizing on Make India because we now are producing sensor in Italy, but transferring all intellectual properties and design to local companies. We can realize sensor, that is the most important element.
There have been a couple of crashes in India as well of bridges unexpectedly. So I think that's what inspired you. But now one very last question, I saw a very interesting model you have in your company. So you are a Indian-Italian company and you have an Indian-Italian guy. So you have a guy who is Indian origin, but he's Italian, lives there and speaks the language. So he's a perfect fusion.
This is a magic perfect combination because I think that we are different side of the same money in this fantasy, Italian fantasy and Indian spirit. So we meet together and the company meets together and we realize that the optimum combination from different culture but with the same spirit.
So I think this is a big inspiration for foreign companies who are coming to India.
And sir,
they should look at getting a person of Indian origin from their country here.
Yes, and sir,
Moving back and forth.
yes, correct. And very important for Sachin bhai who is with us. You had been an inspiration to us in highways. I am telling you. You know me for a long time. You had been an inspiration. Second thing, road safety is a big concern. And with all our systems, if you say, we can save millions of lives. Be it mobile system, but I think the next thing is structural health monitoring. We have to make all bridges safe.
So I am very blessed that all authorities watch our channel.
Yes.
So what is the one message you want to convey to the authorities through this platform?
I think we are going to do something make in India. Prices will be reasonable in the future. I think let's make all our bridges safer so that there is no collapses or because NHA is doing huge work in terms of safety. And I think we should also make all these bridges much safer. And thanks to people by thank you very much.